guys, what's going on? It's Jessie with Jessie Reviews again, back with a cooler this time. Today we're taking a look at AO Cooler's 12-pack canvas cooler. So stick around and let's take a look at its features. Take a look at the exterior first. We're going to go to the interior, and then we're going to talk about some of its features and its hardware, and also what it's capable of holding as far as capacity. So to begin with, your entire cooler all around in the base of it is made of good quality canvas. Now as far as your dimensions, you're looking at a 14-inch in length. So we'll go ahead and measure it up for you here. You've got 14 inches. You're looking at 7 inches wide. So the 7 inches is actually measuring the inside of the cooler, not including the side pockets. If you go out to the side pockets, we're looking at about 10.5 inches. So the height is looking about a foot. So you're looking at 12 inches in height. Now this cooler is said to be able to hold 12 cans of your favorite drink. Later on in the video, we're gonna be testing that out with some of my favorite drink right now. And then it also is supposed to be able to hold 5 pounds of ice, which we'll be doing an ice test as well later on. Now moving on to its features on the exterior here, you have 2 side buckles. This helps cinch it down. What these are really nice for is when you fill your cooler up, you cinch it down, hook it, and it actually compresses out the air and actually allows your contents to stay cooler longer. Also on the outside here, you've got 2 rings on the front. These are D-rings. You could hook anything to it using a carabiner. And 2 on the back here. You've got 2 external pockets for dry items. Let me see if I can give you a good look there. So you get all your nice dry items in here, your keys, your phone, dry foods, anything you really need to put. And also one on the front here. And these expand out pretty good. You can see from the cooler itself, they expand out maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches. So you have a good storage space there. On the top, you have 2 handles with a Velcro closure. And let's go ahead and look at our zippers. You have 2 YKK zippers. They're dual zippers, so regardless of which way you're opening or closing your cooler, you'll get a nice, tight close. Let's take a look at the inside. So this is the inside. I've used this for camping, for outings, for lunch, for day trips, all of the above, and it has worked phenomenally. We absolutely love this cooler. It has amazing insulation with a leak-proof liner. And the nice thing about this is you can pull it on out and you can give it a nice wash. This is a well-loved cooler. We've used it a lot. So what do you say we actually get 12 cans, and let's put the capacity to test. So this is my 12-pack of sparkling water. And I've already started drinking one right after our ride, so we're gonna finish this up. Let's start counting. All right, now look at this space. That is all the space that's still left. We could close this, we could put ice in here, we could have put ice in the bottom, ice throughout, or even more food inside of your cooler, and you still have a generous amount of space left. And you've got 12 cans of water, of pop, of beer, of whatever you want in here. So the next test we're gonna do is the ice test. See you soon. All right guys, we are back, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this ice inside of the 12-pack AO canvas cooler. It claims to be able to hold 5 pounds of ice. We've got a 10-pound bag of ice. So we're gonna see how much of it we can get in. Here we go. All right, so it is October 21st, 7:31 p.m. We're gonna let it sit. We will come back tomorrow, Tuesday, October 22nd, around 7:30 p.m. and see how much ice is still left and then what is the temperature. So just to give you a gauge, I'm gonna leave this sitting outside and the current temperature is, let's see. Siri, what's the temperature?
It's currently 69 degrees.
All right, 69 with a low of 64. So we'll come back tomorrow.
Early the next morning. "24 hours later."
All right, guys, so here we are at hour 23. I decided not to wait to the 24th hour because it'll be pitch black in another hour. So it is currently 6:40 on Tuesday, October 22nd. So let's take a look at our 10 pounds of ice and how it fared overnight, almost 24 hours, 23 hours in the AO 12-pack soft cooler. Wow, that's a big brick of ice still. Ooh, and freezing cold. So here is what we are looking like. Still a lot of ice left. Look at that. That's all the ice left. And this stayed outside the entire 23 hours. Right now, let's see what temperature it is. Hey Siri, what's the temperature?
It's currently 57 degrees.
57 degrees. So you see that right there. So there you have it. That completes our review of the AO 12-pack canvas cooler. Thanks so much, and let me know if you have any questions down below.